To understand what truly determines infrastructure quality, the Urban Unit and the Action Research Collective conducted a comprehensive third-party validation exercise for the Chief Minister's Sustainable Development Goals program. Across 35 districts and 3,475 development schemes, the teams examined how effectively projects were implemented, assessing documentation, safety standards, design quality, and overall completion. Most of these schemes focused on roads, drainage, and water supply within the local government department responsible for the majority of them. When the results were analyzed, some clear patterns emerged. First, quality varies by region. Districts in northern Punjab like Rawalpindi and Dera Ghazi Khan generally performed better, with more projects found to be satisfactory, while some in central and southern Punjab like Faisalabad and Sahiwal struggled with lower quality outcomes. This shows that geography matters, not because of the soil or climate, but because local oversight, planning, and management capacity differ from one area to another. Second, the type of scheme matters. Projects related to water and sanitation tended to perform best, often because water-related schemes follow standardized designs and rely on specialist contractors, which narrows variation in delivery and simplifies monitoring. In contrast, road and drainage schemes were more likely to face quality issues because they are heterogeneous, politically visible, and technically demanding, making them more vulnerable to uneven performance. Third, bigger budgets did not always mean better work. In fact, some of the larger, more expensive schemes were among those that needed major improvement, while smaller projects often delivered higher quality results. This suggests that quality depends less on the amount of money spent and more on how that money is managed and monitored. Finally, differences between departments like LG and CD, C&W, or HUD and PHED were not significant. What mattered more was whether local project teams had consistent supervision, testing, and documentation practices in place. Overall, the validation work in Punjab highlights two key lessons. First, strong local governance and field-level oversight are the most reliable predictors of good quality work. And second, sectoral design and management systems, not just funding or institutional labels, make the real difference. The CMSDG validation data also reinforces what global studies have shown. Infrastructure quality is shaped by coordination, accountability, and technical discipline, not just by construction or budgets. In short, where monitoring is regular, reporting is transparent, and communities are engaged, projects tend to last longer and perform better. These insights are what allow us to move from simply completing projects to actually delivering sustainable, high-quality infrastructure under SDG9.